Hi guys, welcome to the San Francisco School of Copywriting, Copywriting to Go mini course of pro tips with me, Amanda Caswell. I am so excited you guys are here. The first pro tip I want to share with you is use emotion to boost conversion rates. Emotion sells. Regardless of size, brands use emotion in their advertising to make sales copy and marketing campaigns memorable. You will hear me talk about emotion all the time throughout the courses that I teach here at the School of Copywriting because it is so important. Those advertisements that make you laugh, they make you cry, some of them. They hit a nerve in some way that helps them stand out, and it makes the consumer remember them. If you're watching TV or you see a digital advertisement on the internet or a billboard, somehow you remember those campaigns specifically because of the way they made you feel. And so striking emotion is absolutely key. And you will hear me discuss that and more in my classes, Copywriting 101 and Copywriting 201 Masterclass. The Copywriting 101 is more basic, sort of the fundamentals of copywriting, while the Masterclass, some students may actually be working at an advertising agency or doing copywriting for businesses, but it's sort of like a boost in the understanding and the new things that you may not have known before. Okay, so join me next time for the next pro tip, which is use everyday language to engage with as wide as an audience as possible. All right, see you soon.